Number 79 wants me to find the value of the derivative of the function at a given point. Let's start by taking that function and rewriting it so that we can take the derivative easier. Let's rewrite it with a fractional exponent. Let's make it 1 minus x cubed to the 1/2 power. And now we can see that the rule that we need to apply here is the power rule, since we've got the function 1 minus x cubed raised to the 1/2 power. So that derivative, f prime of x, will be equal to, according to the power rule, it's going to be that exponent 1/2 times the function 1 minus x cubed. Now I need to subtract 1 from the exponent. 1/2 minus 1 is negative 1/2. And now times the derivative of the function 1 minus x cubed. And that derivative would be negative 3x squared. Might be good to do a little simplifying here before I try to plug in some values. Let's apply the negative exponent rule to drop the function 1 minus x cubed to the negative 1/2 to the denominator. And then I can take the negative 3x squared, multiply by the 1, and just get negative 3x squared over 2 times the square root of 1 minus x cubed. All right, now I want to find out what is the value of that derivative at this point that has an x coordinate of negative 2. So we want to find the derivative at negative 2. All right, so I'm just going to plug negative 2 in for x into this derivative that we've just found. So I'm going to have negative 3 times negative 2 squared over 2 times the square root of 1 minus negative 2 cubed. Let's be real careful with our negative signs here. That's negative 3 times negative 2 squared is positive 4. In the denominator, I have 2 times the square root of 1 minus, and then negative 2 cubed is negative 8. Well, that's going to be negative 12 over 2 times the square root, and 1 minus negative 8 is 1 plus 8, which is 9. And of course, that's negative 12 over 2 times the square root of 9, which is 3. That's negative 12 over 6. And of course, negative 12 over 6 is negative 2. So the value of the derivative at that point is negative 2, which is another way of saying that the slope of the tangent line to that function at that point is negative 2.